This is a demonstration of diving a little bit deeper into our Exchange data within Corso. So in this case, we already have a backup inside our repository, and we want to go a little bit deeper with it into exploring, for example, finding individual contacts or emails that are stored within that backup. So the command we're going to call is Corso backup details. And again, we want to look at Exchange data, and we're going to give it a backup ID. We could have gotten that from Corso backup list command or from the output from when we ran the backup. So we want details from this backup, but this is a complete backup that contained all of the information tied to a single user. So in this case, let's just see, for example, contact information. So I'll say I want contact, and instead of tying it to a single contact, I'll say, okay, give me all contact data. It'll go and query the repository and return, all the contact data that it matches. And in this case, it's just an example, account. So we just have a couple of results. So let's try going a little deeper. In fact, let's go ahead and load some emails for the user. Let's get a nice big complete list of emails, but we do only want to see stuff that's in the inbox. And we should be able to feed it to it like that. And then we get this complete list of emails that are in the inbox. And for example, if we wanted to filter and see only emails that have a particular subject line, I'll just go ahead and grab this subject line. And we'll do email subject and give it just that one subject. And we should just get back a whole list of emails because it seems we've got a large number of the same subject set. Okay. So we can use this to restore individual components of our backup if we don't want to restore the whole thing. So this is quite, this is quite a useful way to dive a little bit deeper. If we made a backup that has multiple users in it, we can say, hey, this is the backup ID, but then give it a user ID here. Let's see, what else do we want to demonstrate here? Let's try one more filter. Let's do events, and then we'll only show the events that are not recurring. And I believe there should be a few created for this user. Yep. And we'll get only the non-recurring events. Looks like those are mainly holidays for this user. Okay, this is one of the ways to dig into the details of your backup.